It's been a big ask of the players, and they've come through it with flying colours so far. To get 2 wins out of the 3, a plus goal difference, is credit to the players. So it sets us up nicely now for the 2 home games, and gives the supporters an opportunity as well to come and see the players and see what we've got coming through the system.
Do you think home advantage will be at all relevant in these 2 games?
Sometimes there's a little bit more pressure on you then, isn't it, to go and take the game to them and get the wins. But we'll have a game plan, and in the main the lads have stuck to it. What we've done in the past has been different mentality because we've been away from home, and we've had to be a little bit more defensive at times. But what's pleasing is we do both sides of it really well. So if we need to do the dogged stuff, and we've been capable of doing that, and then we know we've got goals in the team. And that'll be no different. That'll be needed for the 2 home games. We're up against Bosnia first, that physically will be strong. They're the highest scorers in the group as well, so we've got to respect that. But it's about us taking the game to them and being nice and positive from the first minute.
Chris Mepham back in after suspension. You must be pleased to see him back, and obviously Harry Wilson included in the squad as well. Yeah, 2 great players to have back involved. Everybody understandably knows about Harry, and great to have him back involved with us. Meps missed the last game through suspension. He got sent off against Portugal and missed the Liechtenstein game, but played championship football again for Brentford this season and done really well. So great to have him back involved, along with the Rabbies of the world and Tyler Roberts and George Thomas, and it's exciting times. Yeah. And just finally, you said they're exciting. It is exciting for the young boys that are in Chris Coleman's senior squad as well, the likes of David Brooks, Ethan Ampadu. What's your message to the supporters that want to come and watch these 2 games and hopefully see some stars of the future themselves?
Well, exactly that. Come and have a look at what we've got. Come and see that we're not afraid to develop these lads. If they're good enough, they go straight through to Chris's first team. He's proved that in recent weeks. You've just named 2 of the 3 players there, with Woodburn involved in that as well, and it's fantastic. And Rabbi Matondo, just to use him as an example, he's a young lad. He's playing at Man City. Cardiff City supporters will be aware of him because Man City took him from Cardiff, and he's developing nicely. But it's an opportunity for him to come and prove himself at an international level and show the supporters what he's all about as well.